Hi guys, this is Polyboy. And before I start talking on the topic of today, I'll first of all show you an audio clip that I think best explains what I'm trying to talk about today. And this is from a woman called Hailey Neubert. I think that's how they pronounce her name. I might be wrong. And she's talking about her experiences in the family court system and the problems she found with it. So have a listen, and yeah, I'll continue after the clip is done.
My name is Heidi Nabert. The truth is, at least from our experience, is you could go into the same lawyer's office and you'd get a totally different set of questions and answers based on whether you're a man or a woman.
Really?
Yes. When I first considered divorcing my first husband, I got 30 minutes free with a lawyer. And I said, look, I don't know anything about the law. You know, we own a house and a couple of cars and some furniture and a couple of investments. If I leave, do I lose any of that? That was my question. And the lawyer said to me, why are you leaving? And I said, well, because I'm the one that's unhappy. My husband will not do, he won't consider going into marriage counseling. And so I'm ready to move on. And he said, you don't have to leave. Just get him to hit you or make it look like he did. And we can have him forcibly removed from the house, get you exclusive possession of the matrimonial home and spousal support. How is it that a lawyer who is bound by some sort of ethical protocol counseling me, giving me legal advice to stage domestic violence so I get the upper hand in family court, call 911, say, I'm scared, I think he's going to hurt me. And in most jurisdictions these days, that it's called zero tolerance. The police will be coming to the door and he'll be out in handcuffs. And our kids are watching that. That's the beginning of a downward spiral, both emotionally and financially for that family. And you want to screw up your kids? That's a perfect way to start.
Yeah, so you heard that? Okay. I'm pretty sure if this was a man that was saying this, they wouldn't really take it seriously. So it's unfortunate that, certain that now women have to be talking on this issue. But this just goes to show the level of which certain problems will be ignored because certain people, many people in power are benefiting from this kind of system. Because I'm just thinking about it. I mean, to be honest, I don't think that if the man was to grant her that wish of destroying and taking half the man's stuff and all that stuff, I don't think that he wouldn't be getting anything in return. I think this is a business, and and they are offering a service as sick as it sounds. Now, obviously, this is not a good thing, but many people do it. It has been done many times, and I've heard a lot of rumors, but at least now I see a woman, not only just a woman, but a woman that tried to divorce her first husband, understand and talk on the issue that she faced when she went to, get information from a lawyer or a lawyer official. So, this is not very hard to, imagine. I mean, if you're looking at what is going on right now with GameSpot, it's kind of similar, as Robin Hood is robbing the hood to pay the rich folk. It's hilarious, and because if you think about it, they're supposed to have been, the people standing up for the poor because that's how they marketed themselves, right? But this is not different from them. They have a business and they are making profits of that business. Because they're making profits of that business, they don't have any incentive to stop. And so I think now, and I'm kind of convinced that I've seen these things, because I remember, it's just a segue, I made a video about this before, and I was trying to say, hey, Okay, I think this is what is going on. I'm not entirely sure, right? But now I pretty much have evidence, because I don't like to just, say something based on rumors. I like to look into stuff and discover what is really going on. And for me, I've not really had this problem. So discovering this and knowing that this was actually a problem and my hunch was correct, it's pretty damn surreal. Now, I'm pretty sure there's more of these cases. I'm going to keep looking into this. I think one YouTuber did a video about a woman just using people for alimony and stuff. And I think it all ties into this. And it's unfortunate that, we don't have any spotlight on this. Neither do we have any way to pretty much, stop such a robbery or such an abuse of process, an abuse of the law. Somebody said the only way to stop it was to get rid of the alimony process altogether, and I can't say I disagree because the alimony process messes everybody up. Now, for some people and some women that think that, it doesn't matter to them, I would assure you that, if a time will come, it will start happening more and more to women. It will. I mean, we already see what happened to, what's her name? Adele. I think she settled for some millions of dollars for her husband. It's going to happen to women as well. It's just a matter of time. So if you're kind of indifferent to this and you're a female, I would advise that you take into consideration that the possibility of this happening to you is also pretty high. Okay, so that's all I'm going to be talking about today, and I will see you next time. If you like my videos, like and subscribe, right? If you want to see more of me, turn on notifications, because apparently subscribe button doesn't just work. If you like the music, it's in the description below. If you want to see the full video, which is actually a compilation of different stuff, it's also in the description below. And please, if you can find the full clip of this woman, like the full interview, let me know. Reach out to me and I will look into it. Thank you.